Hello kids, this is Teacher Heidi, your online learning buddy. Today, we're going to practice reading short stories with comprehension check. Are you ready? Let's start. The Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow flew all over the fields looking for water. For a long time, she could not find any. She felt very weak, almost giving up hope. Suddenly, she saw a water jug below her. She flew straight down to see if there was any water inside. Yes, she could see some water inside the jug. The crow tried to push her head into the jug. Sadly, she found that the neck of the jug was too narrow. Then, she tried to push the jug down for the water to flow out. She found that the jug was too heavy. The crow thought hard for a while. Then, looking around her, she saw some pebbles. She suddenly had a good idea. She started picking up the pebbles one by one, dropping each into the jug. As more and more pebbles filled the jug, the water level kept rising. Soon, it was too high enough for the crow to drink. Her plan had worked. Moral of the story: if you try hard enough, you may soon find an answer to your problem. And now, it's your turn to read, children. And now, let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why was the crow searching for water? A. To clean her feathers. B. To drink and quench her thirst. C. To build a nest. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. To drink and quench her thirst. Question number 2. What problem did the crow face when trying to get water from the jug? A. The water was too cold. B. The neck of the jug was too narrow. C. The jug was empty. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The neck of the jug was too narrow. Question number 3. How did the crow solve the problem of the narrow neck of the jug? A. She broke the jug. B. She waited for the water to evaporate. C. She dropped pebbles into the jug to raise the water level. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. She dropped pebbles into the jug to raise the water level. Question number 4. What was the result of the crow's plan? A. The crow gave up. B. The jug broke. C. The water level rose enough for her to drink. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. The water level rose enough for her to drink. Question number 5. What is the main lesson of the story? A. Persistence can help solve problems. B. Water is not important. C. Crow cannot fly. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Persistence can help solve problems. Question number 6. What did the crow do when she couldn't find water? A. She looked for water in a jug. B. She flew away. C. She waited on a tree. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. She looked for water in a jug. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone.